everyone. Welcome to Bruhan Mumbai Municipal Corporation's Virtual Training Center, and I am Mrs. Nehal Kodambe, your English teacher from VTC. Let's begin with today's session.
In today's Standard 4 English class, and today we will learn a new story from unit number 2, and the title of the story is The Hare and the Tortoise. Dear children, as you know, before doing any activity, first of all we will read what we are going to do today in this session. आपण बघा कोणताही नवीन टॉपिक सुरू केल्यानंतर एखादी गोष्ट असो, एखादं गाणं असो, एखादा ऍक्टिव्हिटी असो, ती करण्यापूर्वी काय आपल्याला करायचंय हे आपण जाणून घेतो. ओके, आता हेअर अँड टॉर्टस ही गोष्ट तुम्हाला माहिती आहे, तुम्ही अगदी लहानपणापासून ऐकली आहे. But in today's session, why are you going to learn that story again? And what we all are going to do today, let's know about it. So, today we are going to do two things. See, listen and read aloud. What you people will do? You will listen to the story which I am going to narrate, or I am going to read, and then you will read aloud it with me and after me and at your home also. Okay, so two things we are going to do. First of all, you will listen what I say, what I read, and then you will read aloud with me. So let's begin with the story. So, let's begin with the story. Here, you can see there is a picture and a box, and in that box we have written the sentences from the story. So, I'll read those sentences or the story part, and you will listen to it and you will read with me or after me. Okay? Once a hare and a tortoise decided to have a race. Hare means rabbit, you can see here. Once a hare and a tortoise decided to have a race. What did hare said to tortoise? Let's read it. He said, "You are so slow. I am so fast." What did he say? "You are so slow. I am so fast." Next. Let us run a race up to the mango tree. You can see there a mango tree in the picture. What did hare said? Let us run a race up to the mango tree. So mango tree was their finish line. You know racing, in our school also we do the racing, and we decide a starting point and an ending point. आपण पण शाळेत रेसिंग करतो बघा. मग आपण कुठून सुरुवात करायची आणि कुठे संपवायचं हे आपण डिसाइड करतो. Okay, so in that way they have decided the ending point will be that mango tree. So read the sentence from the dialog box. Let us run a race up to the mango tree. Ha ha ha. He laughed because he thought that he is so fast and tortoise is so slow, so he will win the race. So he laughed at him. Ha ha ha. Then the race began. You can see here the starting point. Tortoise is in one way and the rabbit or the hare is in another. The race began. Then the hare ran with long leaps. You can see in the picture, the hare ran with long leaps. Hop, hop, hop. Read it again. The hare ran with long leaps. Hop, hop, hop. Long leaps, long, long jump. He ran with long jumps. Hop, hop, hop. But see the tortoise, he walks so slow, you know that. The tortoise walked slowly. Plod, plod, plod. The tortoise walked slowly. Plod, plod, plod. Then what happened? The hare came to a carrot patch. You can see there carrots. गाजराचं शेती होती, गाजराचा मळा होता, तिकडे तो आला उड्या मारत मारत. The hare came to a carrot patch. Oh my God, so many carrots. You know, rabbit or hare likes the carrot very much. So he was very happy. You can see here. The hare came to a carrot patch. So he looked at the carrots. You can see his eyes. He's so happy. And he thought to himself, त्यांनी स्वतःशीच काय विचार केला बघा. Yummy! What a lovely carrots! The tortoise is far behind. I'll eat a few carrots. What did he think to himself? Yummy! What lovely carrots! The tortoise is far behind. I'll eat a few carrots. त्याने असा विचार केला स्वतःशी, काय मस्त कॅरेट्स आहेत. कासव तर अजून खूप मागे आहे. मी थोडी गाजरं खाऊन घेऊ का? थोडी खातोच गाजरं. Yummy! What a lovely carrots! The tortoise is far behind. I'll eat a few carrots. Crunch, 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 crunch. You can see he is eating the carrots. Crunch, 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 crunch. He enjoyed the carrots. Crunch, 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 crunch. Then he came a radish patch. You can see there. Radish patch. Radish mula. Then he came a radish patch. Hopping, hopping, hopping. He first of all he went to the carrots patch. He ate some carrots over there. Then he came a radish patch. He saw the radish. And what did he think? He said to himself, Slap, what juicy white radishes. I'll eat only a few. Slap, what juicy white radishes. I'll eat only a few. वा काय मस्त एकदम ज्यूसी मस्त एकदम भरलेले रसदार असे पांढरे स्वच्छ मुळे. जाऊ दे मी थोडेसे खातोच. त्याच्या तोंडाला पाणी सुटलं. Slurp, what juicy white radishes. I'll eat only a few. But he ate up quite a few. But he ate up quite a few. He decided to eat only a few. But he ate up quite a few. Only a few and quite a few. बघा फरक लक्षात घ्या. त्याने ठरवलं आपण थोडेसेच खाऊया. पण तो जरा जास्तच खाऊन गेला. But he ate up quite a few. Chomp, 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 chomp. He ate so many, but he ate up quite a few. Chomp, 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 chomp. He went on eating them. Then, where did he come? You can see. Then the hare came to another vegetable patch. Oh my God, so many fresh vegetables. Cabbage, brinjals, tomatoes, leafy vegetables. He was so happy to see that. Read the sentence from the box. Then the hare came to another vegetable patch. Then he thought to himself, fresh juicy vegetables, so good to eat. Read it again. Fresh juicy vegetables, so good to eat. So what did he does? We will see. So he ate up quite a few. He started eating cabbage, tomatoes, brinjals, leafy vegetables, and he went on eating. And he ate up quite a few. जरा जास्तच खाऊन गेला. He ate up quite a few. Then what happened? Then the hare was now too full. His tummy was full now because he ate carrots, he ate radishes, he ate vegetables. Now he was too full. So we will read that. The hare was now too full. He ran hop, itty hop, hop, itty hop, hop, itty hop. The hare was now too full. So he ran hop, itty hop, hop, itty hop. आता तो हळूहळू धावायला लागला. त्याचं पोट एकदम तुंब भरलेलं. Then खूप जास्त जेवण झालं की काय होतं? He was feeling very sleepy. आता त्याला प्रचंड झोप आली. He was feeling very sleepy. Then he said to himself, I'll take a little nap. त्याने स्वतःशीच विचार केला, मी एक छोटीशी डुलकी मारतो. I'll take a little nap. And you can see there. He slept under a tree. He is snoring. घोरायला लागला बघा. He slept under a tree. Now all these things happened with hare. He hopped. He went to carrots patch. He went to radish patch. He went to vegetable patch. He ate them. Then he was too full. He slept. But all this while, what tortoise was doing? Let's see. So here the hare slept on and on. झोपूनच गेला तो. छोटीशी डुलकी मारायची ठरवलेली, पण गाढ झोपला. He slept on and on. And now we will see what the tortoise was doing. All this while, the tortoise didn't stop. He walked on and on. ससा सगळं गंमत जम्मत करताना कासव थांबलं का? ते तर चालतच राहिलं. Read the sentence again. All this while the tortoise didn't stop. He walked on and on. And what happened then? Read it. The tortoise reached the mango tree. You can see he walked on and it reached the mango tree. Slowly, slowly, slowly he reached the mango tree. The tortoise reached the mango tree. Now here the hare wake up. He ran to the mango tree. आता सशाला जाग आली आणि तो धावत सुटला आंब्याच्या झाडाकडे. The hare wake up. He ran to the mango tree. But what happened then? What did the hare see? काय बघितलं त्याने? What did the hare see? You can see in the picture. Look at its eyes. What did the hare see? Look at the eyes of the hare. What did he see? The tortoise was already there under the mango tree, near the mango tree. What did the hare see? The tortoise has already reached to the finish line, that is near the mango tree. So, now, ha ha ha, slow but steady wins the race. What is the moral of the story? Slow but steady wins the race. जरी कासवाचं चालण्याचा गती वेग कमी होता तरी हळूहळू तो फिनिश लाईन पर्यंत पोहोचला. पण त्याने स्वतःचे प्रयत्न सोडले का? हळूहळू का होईना तो तिथपर्यंत पोहोचला. म्हणून तुम्ही सतत प्रयत्न करत राहिलात, जरी तुम्हाला वाटलं आपण स्लो आहोत, तरी एक ना एक दिवस आपण नक्कीच यशस्वी होतो. First of all, Hare laughed at Tortoise, but now it was Tortoise's turn to laugh at him. He said, "Ha ha ha! Slow but steady wins the race." So that was our today's story, the hare and the tortoise, and you have.
That's all for today. So you will revise whatever we have learned in today's session. Please subscribe the channel and press the notification button to get the link of next video. Bye bye.